Amber, I remember the first time we met. I'll never forget praying with you in the car. I remember thinking I'm in trouble. And now today, here we are at this beautiful place, and I get to hold your hand and make things official. I'm so glad that our wedding day is here, and I so look forward to a life with you. I love you.
Today we get married. It's a day that in the beginning neither of us really saw coming, but it's something that God's blessed us with. And I'm so excited. I'm excited to dream with you. I'm excited to build a life together with you. You're one of the few people who can make me laugh so hard I can't breathe. And I know on the hard days that you will continue to make me laugh. I love you, and I can't wait to spend my life with you.
Vili, today I get to marry you. I get to look you in your eyes and promise to always be there for you. The thought used to scare me because a forever type of love has never existed around me. Most people have left or given up because it was too hard. Yet today I am hopeful and positive that forever will last a lot longer for us. That today is just the beginning of a journey that will only end when Jesus says, "Well done, good and faithful servant." Vili, you are more than I could have asked God for. He knew what my heart needed to get through this life and do all that He hoped for. He knew that somewhere in Michigan there was a ginger who would be the person that I would be able to link arms with and build a life in love that would last. I am so blessed that I get to be there with you. I can't wait to have more and more adventures and to experience as much of life as possible with you. I know that we are going to build something special together, something that is greater than anything you or I could have done alone. I love you, and we'll see you soon. Amber Caddy. P.S. I don't think a marriage license or name change is going to stop me from calling you Vili. It's definitely permanent now.